A very, very good morning to you all. We are very happy today at this auspicious day that Nelit Aizol, under the auspices of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, we are conducting a one-day job fair. In this occasion, nearly 20 employers are taking part, and we are very happy. And first of all, I would just like to thank the Almighty for giving us this opportunity to us, that He's giving us a sunny day, a good day for observing such a good occasion. Next, I welcome from the bottom of my heart Madam Dr. Lalsiat Juali Ralke IS Secretary Leslie Government of Mizoram for sparing her valuable time, because I know in Mizoram every day is a busy day. Even then also she is kind enough and she is here sparing her valuable time for this particular occasion. So, Madam, I welcome you and very much thankful to you. And then, respected dignitaries on the dais, Kununga, Joint Director, Admin and Finance, and Scientist E, Sri James, all the respected job givers, then all my colleagues, their students, their job seekers. So let's take the opportunity out of this. And basically, as per the instruction of the headquarters of us, we are having more than 70 IT impaneled job givers, and we have already requested them also, please to come down up to Aizol and please try to give some job opportunity. Some of them just give that it can be done online. Some have given sorry figure, because probably due to this geographical location of this Aizol. Anyhow, I'm very much thankful to those who is coming here and joining at this job fair as a job giver. Every year, Nelit Aizol is conducting this job fair, and we are trying to give job opportunities to the youths. And Nelit Aizol, whose main center is there in Juangtui, we are conducting so many online recruitment exams, offline also basically, especially on Saturday, Sunday and holiday. Our staff, our officers and staffs, they are dutiful enough that if any exam is there on the non-working day or holidays, even Sunday, they are ready to do the exam, so that at least we can serve to the public of Mizoram as a whole. So I'm very much happy that I'm having such type of staff with us. And with the help of the others, so many relevant departments, we are trying to do at our best level, so that we are giving both training facility as well as job facility. But thing is that here our people doesn't want to go out of the Mizoram, because if we go outside Mizoram, we'll be getting some higher jobs, some high-end jobs also. And not only Nelit Aizawl here, our headquarters and all the Nelit centers, who is there all over India, pan-India basically. It is in Delhi, Guwahati, every state. And every Nelit center is conducting such type of this job here. And supposing if those Zain companies are not coming here, at least if you please go to either Guwahati or Kolkata or Delhi to take part such job here, then you will get the opportunity of getting those high salaried that jobs also. So anyhow, please try that also. And here also, government of Mizoram, they are very keen. Even that day, it was a some restricted holiday. It falls also on Sunday, and our people also, because we have to go to church, we are having all church works. Then actually on that day, one online exam was supposed to be there. We have already given our word that being such day, we cannot conduct on this one. You please try another day. But because being a all India exam, they cannot postpone it. Then ultimately they approached the respected Chief Secretary of the state, and immediately Chief Secretary called me. Then I have to obey. So that's how Nelit Aizawl, at our best level, we are trying to give all these facilities. And I'm very much happy to express that Nelit Aizawl from the last academic session, that is from 2025, we have added up BTech program, BTech in electronics, BTech in computer science, 30 capacity. We have added up MTech program, 30 capacity, 30 seat, and we have added up PhD program. Apart from our existing these diploma courses, diploma in electronics, diploma in computer science, then BCA, MCA, then MSc electronics. Now, Nelit, which is present all over India, and we are having around 40 centers pan India, spreading out of which 20 centers are there in Northeast. So Government of India is giving so much stress to the Northeast also. And as far as Mizoram is concerned, we are having one center at Juangtui, that is our main center. We are having another extension center at Lunglei also. And we are having all the computer facilities, all necessary infrastructure, even hostel facility at Lunglei. And the only constraint what we are facing is that area, because in our Juangtui, our infrastructure is vertical, not horizontal. We are not having proper, say, playground. We are not having, it's being, having constraints with this area. And we are consistently requesting the state government to provide us more land. And we have already approached our Honorable CM also. Anyhow, this Nelit, which has been converted to deemed university, in the deemed university state, we will be there for nearly say 2 or 3 years, and we will be making all the necessary things so that we are ready to become a full-fledged university. Then within a span of 3 to 4 years, we will be converting to full-fledged central university, because now we are under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Now if we are changing to a full-fledged that university, central university, then our ministry will be changed. We will be under Ministry of Education. So that we are trying, we are targeting. And right now our main university campus is at Rupar, and we are having 11 centers. Out of the total 40 centers, all of the 40 centers, it is not at the status of deemed university, but luckily they have selected NELIT Aizawl also, and all the staffs of NELIT Aizawl, we are doing at our best level, so that at least within another 3 to 4 years, NELIT Aizawl will be becoming a full-fledged central university. So that is our motto. And regarding our mode of education, now question pattern, it is same, the same question, it will be provided to us, and the students has to give the exam, sit the exam under the same question, which will be there for the different 12 centers. And checking also will be done centrally. Earlier I was very fearful that what will happen to our students. But the quality of our student, it is becoming better and better. And we are competing the mainland students. So that is my best, happy part. That means we must compete the mainland India. That we are doing also. Anyhow, once again, I am very much thankful to Kapi Madam Lalsriat Juali Alte IS once again for sparing our valuable time and attending to such a job fair which is being organized by NELIT Aizawl. Thank you, Madam. Once again, thank you all.